everybody, it is April 20th. Today is the day I will be drawing the winner of my giveaway for hitting 10,000 subscribers. So first of all, let me just say thank you guys so much. Again, as you've seen me on some other videos where I've picked my winners, this is what I look like when I teach. This is my online classroom. So yeah, I am here on a Saturday morning to go ahead and see who the winner is. Let me just say, once I choose the winner, you have 24 hours to comment on this video and message me, letting me know that you're my winner. And then we'll verify. If I don't hear from the first person I draw in 24 hours, I will load another video and draw another winner. So hopefully you guys are checking these videos to see if you're the winner. All right, let's flip this around. Okay, so here we are back. Here is the video where I announced the giveaway. I have highlighted the URL. I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to go over into YouTube Random Comment Picker. And here I will put the URL. Okay, get comments. Amount of unique commenters, 209. All right, I always forget where I'm supposed to do this. All right, I think I'm supposed to hit start here. All right, here we go. Who is it going to be? Dun, 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 dun. Lainey Lewis. All right, Lainey Lewis. Her comment was, "Hi, Cindy. I love the buffalo check. I think I will make something for my daughter who loves buffalo check anything, LOL. I think my favorite DIYs that you have done are definitely the window, putting extra wood on the sides all around. I think it looks more like a real window. I also like the 3 wooden crosses. He is risen. Not only is it the reason for Easter, but I love Randy Travis. Thanks." All right, I will link the videos she's referring to in her comment at the end of this video. And Lainey, you have 24 hours from right now when this video posts to comment and message me that you are my winner. All right, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I do have some more decor DIYs coming up, some a little moving into summer, but we're not even to really spring yet here in Michigan. It's still pretty cold. We had snow last Sunday. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you for continuing to like and comment on my videos and also sharing them with friends. Thanks so much. Bye.